This is in order to tell us that the most important part about masculinity is when they're capable of defining their source of recognition, الوحي, when their recognition is in place to regard al-wahi, to regard that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is their source of information, is their source of recognition, that's the most important thing about masculinity. But if they're confused about their epistemology, and if they're confused about their resources of recognition, then they are simply lacking the main tool to help them recognize their decision making. And that's why in Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forbid a woman from marrying a non-Muslim man, whether he is from Ahl al-Kitab or whether he is from another religion, because if this man is lacking that masculinity to be the main foundation, qawama, they couldn't even recognize their place of recognizing right and wrong, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then they're definitely not qualified to be the decision makers on her behalf. Then therefore they're not qawam anymore, because they basically could not even figure out the main source of knowledge, let alone figure out the details of decision making.